Finally the rain subsided, so now we can get some stuff in the garden. So we got all the peppers laid out here. Tomatoes we're gonna put there. We've got cabbage we're gonna put over here, plus some green beans. Up there is where we're putting the squash, the corn, and the green beans. And then up on the hill, we're putting all the vining stuff, cantaloupe, watermelon, cucumbers, and all that. We just gotta find a place for okra. So there we go, that's where we are. All right, we've got habaneros. One, two, I think 3 or 4 rows of jalapenos. We've got okra all through here in the center. And then we did serranos. I think we've got a couple rows of serranos. And we've got some Tabasco peppers, some early summer sweet bell peppers, and then over there we have all bell peppers. Then up here we tried to keep some type of order, but towards the end we kind of just did with what we had left. So this is actually the end. We've got 2 different types of cherries. These 4 here are all celebrity tomatoes. Then we've got Romas, 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 and more Roma tomatoes. So we have lots of Romas. See, these here are Cherokee Purple. And then right here we've got big boys. And the end we've got different types of cherries. We put them on the end so that way they were kind of easy to get to. And then up here I have 4 zucchini plants. On the very end is 1 watermelon. Then I've got 2 rows of cucumbers right there and 2 rows of cantaloupe right there. Then down here, Chad's putting pole beans around the poles. We've got squash planted in here. I think there's 8 of them. And then what are these rows right through here, honey? Huh? Corn. And then he's doing beans all through here. Then down here on the bottom bed, we had an excessive amount of cucumbers. So we're going to put cucumbers down here with the cabbage, and then what leftover space we have, fill in with more green beans.